Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the automatic tracking for Apple Watch in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the Apple Watch button. And then click on the automatic tracking button. And then as you can see, you can turn it on. And if you click on the allow button at the top of the page, then this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.